Is your iPhone frozen or unresponsive? Don't worry. A quick hard reset can fix that instantly. Tap subscribe for more iPhone fixes that actually work. Step 1. Press volume up quickly. Press and release the volume up button. Step 2. Press volume down. Now quickly press and release the volume down button. Step 3. Hold the side button next. Press and hold the side button, the power button on the right side. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Then release. That's it. Your iPhone has been force restarted. This won't erase your data. It just reboots your device and clears out system glitches. If your screen ever freezes, now you know how to snap it back to life. Subscribe for more quick iPhone tips that keep you in control.